Have you ever wondered what makes Soi Cowboy one of Bangkok's most famous nightlife destinations? From its colorful neon lights to its fascinating history and cultural significance, this iconic street attracts visitors from around the world. In this video, we'll explore the history, culture, legal aspects, safety tips, and what you can expect when visiting Soi Cowboy. Let's begin. Located in central Bangkok, between Sukhumvit Soi 21 and Soi 23, near the Asoke intersection, Soi Cowboy is one of Thailand's best-known entertainment districts. The street is relatively short, making it easy to explore on foot. It's filled with brightly lit bars, restaurants, music, and an energetic nightlife atmosphere that attracts both tourists and locals. The district dates back to the early 1970s. Its name comes from an American businessman who was known for wearing a cowboy hat and opened one of the first bars on the street. Over the decades, Soi Cowboy evolved from a quiet lane into one of Bangkok's most recognizable nightlife areas. As tourism grew, more entertainment venues opened, helping establish its international reputation. Today, it remains one of Bangkok's iconic nightlife destinations. Soi Cowboy is more than just its bright lights. It represents an interesting mix of tourism, entertainment, hospitality, and local business. Visitors from across the globe come to experience Bangkok's nightlife, while many local workers earn their livelihoods in restaurants, bars, and entertainment venues. This interaction creates a unique cultural environment that reflects both modern tourism and aspects of contemporary urban Thailand. Thailand has laws regarding prostitution and adult entertainment. Entertainment venues operate under business licenses, while authorities continue to regulate businesses through inspections and labor laws. Visitors should always respect local laws, follow venue rules, and behave responsibly throughout their visit. If you're planning to visit Soi Cowboy, keep these tips in mind. Stay aware of your surroundings. Keep your valuables secure. Drink responsibly. Respect local customs and staff. Check drink prices before ordering. Use licensed taxis or ride-hailing services when returning to your hotel. Like any busy nightlife district around the world, exercising common sense will help ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Many travelers visit Soi Cowboy out of curiosity, while others enjoy the lively atmosphere, photography opportunities, nearby restaurants, and central location. Its colorful neon signs have even appeared in international films and travel documentaries, making it one of Bangkok's most recognizable streets. Soi Cowboy is one of Bangkok's most famous entertainment districts, combining history, tourism, nightlife, and local culture into one unique destination. Whether you're interested in its history, curious about Bangkok's nightlife, or simply exploring the city, understanding its cultural and social context helps provide a more balanced perspective. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides, cultural insights, and destination stories from around the world. You can also read the full article on HUMANITYUAPD.com using the link in the description.